Let us learn about binary arithmetic, focusing on division operations. In this module, we will explore binary division algorithms. Let's begin with an overview of division. The basic equation for division is dividend divided by divisor equals quotient. For example, if we have a dividend of 1101 and a divisor of 101, the resulting quotient is 10. Now let's explore the binary long division method. Step 1. Start from the leftmost bit of the dividend. Step 2. Compare the partial dividend with the divisor. Step 3. If the partial dividend is greater than or equal to the divisor, the quotient bit is 1. Step 4. If the partial dividend is less than the divisor, the quotient bit is 0. Let's take a look at a step-by-step example to understand how binary division works. Consider the problem: 1101 divided by 101. Let's look at the first few steps in the division process. Step 1. The leftmost digit 1 is less than 101. So the quotient bit is 0. Step 2. 11 is less than 101, so the quotient bit is 0. Let's continue with steps 3 and 4. Step 3. 110 is greater than or equal to 101. Thus the quotient bit equals 1. Now subtract 110 minus 101, which equals 001. Step 4. 011 is less than 101, so the quotient bit is 0. Here is the complete solution to our division problem. 101 goes into 1101, 10 times with a remainder of 011. Therefore, 1101 divided by 101 equals 10 with a remainder of 11. Here are some key points to remember when performing binary division. Compare bits from left to right. If the dividend is greater than or equal to the divisor, the quotient bit is 1. Subtract when the quotient bit is 1. Continue these steps until all bits are processed. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.